Hi, my dear students. Welcome to our physics class. Yes, dear students. Up to this, we have all discussed about what we are in the third chapter, current electricity. Okay, in this current electricity, up to this, we have studied about what electrical resistivity, origin of electrical resistivity. That you all understood already. We also I already told this concept. Okay, so let us we'll go through some another concept. Okay, can we go to the move another concept? Okay, so let us in this class I am going to tell about the new concept of the third chapter, that is drift of electrons or drift velocity. What? Drift of electrons or drift velocity. Dear students, here what is the new word? Drift. Drift means what? Rotation. Means ತಿರುಗೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ತಿರುಗುವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. So velocity you already know. Velocity is nothing but there is a motion. There is a change in displacement or the displacement per unit time. You already know. Okay. So now in this current electricity, what is the actual meaning of drift velocity, or what is the mean by drift of electrons? Drift is nothing but what? Simply I told in Kannadadalli drift antandre tiruguvudu, right? So when the electrons are drifted, so now let us see. So I already told what is the actual direction of electric current in a conductor. When we applied the electric field in a conductor, electrons get experience of force. Then those are electrons are move in a direction of applied opposite to the electric field. This concept you already know and I already told. Okay, so using that concept, so drift velocity meaning in this figure. This is a cylindrical shaped conductor. In this conductor, there are so many free electrons out there. There are randomly moving. Means zigzag order. When we apply electric field to the ends of the conductor, in this conductor, some electrons, means there are free electrons get experiences the force, then they got the acceleration, means they get moved through a different direction, that got a velocity, and again it will move through a different direction, again they gain a acceleration. So this is we tell it as a drift velocity. So now come to the definition of drift velocity. Means when we apply the external field in the conductor, means electrons in the conductor gets drifted, means experience of force. This force is opposite to the applied electric field E. Okay, so these electrons experience a force and move through a different direction, and these electrons got the velocity. Means the all electrons got all electrons get drifted. Drifted means ತಿರುಗುವಂತ ಅವು ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ, electric field direction is very. This applied electric field always comes from positive end to negative end, but electrons in the conductor is direction from negative to positive direction. This is drift velocity. So now come to the meaning of drift velocity. That is, drift velocity is defined as, note down, it is the drift velocity is defined as the average velocity. The average velocity with which free electrons in the conductor get ತಿರುಗೋದು. These electrons get drifted in the direction opposite to the. These direction means get drifted in the direction opposite to the applied electric field. This is known as a drift of electrons or drift velocity. Okay, understood? So now when we apply an electric field in the conductor, means we have applied an electric field, the positive and negative end. Means in this conductor we will apply the electric field. Okay. So next, when we apply the electric field, the electrons in the conductor get the experience of force. Come to the point. The force experienced by the free electron in the conductor placed in the electric field is given by. Means ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತವೆ. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ that is F equal to minus E of E. Minus E of E. This negative sign is tells about the force and electric field are the opposite direction in the conductor. Means these electrons got the experience of force. This force is a direction opposite to the electric field, applied electric field. ಈ electrons force one direction ಹೋಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ electric field, applied electric field one direction ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ಅವಾಗ current build ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that equation, force experienced by the force of the electron in the conductor, that is F equal to minus E of E. Right? Here E is the charge of an electron. Capital E is the applied electric field. So now, when the electron got the experience of force, that is acquired the acceleration of a body. Acceleration, those electrons get the acceleration. So acceleration produced in the electron is given by, means when we apply the electric field to the conductor, in the electrons in the conductor got the acceleration. That equation, acceleration A equal to direction F divided by M. Why we write the direction? That is the direct, means acceleration is the vector quantity and force is also vector quantity. So that's why we write it as the acceleration produced by electron A equal to F by M. Means force experienced by the electron with a mass of an electron. And we have to collect the each mass of an electron. Means electron have a own mass. So that's why we write F by M. Means F equal to M is a one kind of a relation, laws of motion. So now we have to got the acceleration A equal to F by M. Okay. Here M is the mass of an electron. So now acceleration A equal to, here F is nothing but what? Minus C of E. Put the F value here. Minus C of E divided by M. This is equation number 1. Understood? So now let us, here acceleration produced by the electron is this acceleration A lasts for a short time. Means this acceleration is a continuous goes, the next this acceleration will losses. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಅದರ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕೊಲೈಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರದ್ದು acceleration ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. That short time of interval of time, then we call it as a relaxation time. What? Relaxation time. Okay, so this is in your book. Please just note down the point. What is the meaning of relaxation time? Relaxation time means just the collision between, in this conductor, the collision between electron and ions in the short time. This time is known as a relaxation time. Then we call it as a tau. Okay. So now we come to the drift velocity equation. given by v of d, vd, drift velocity v. The direction, okay? So equal to u plus a into tau. This is the drift velocity v. U means what? Initial velocity. Why we take initial velocity? Before we apply the electric field, electrons will not experience a force. When we apply the electric field to the conductor, then electrons got a force. Okay, that's why we have to take the u plus a into tau. A means the acceleration, tau is a relaxation time. Time is also very important. Short time, tau is relaxation time means what? What? Short time between the collision between the two electrons with the ion. Okay. So now v of d, drift velocity equal to initial velocity is 0 plus a means what? First equation. We have to put the a value in this equation, minus c of a divided by m, as this term is the same. So now r, we have to write the before equation like drift velocity equal to minus e of e divided by m into tau. Okay. So here the direction means we have to write a mod. Mod apply model. So mod of drift velocity equal to v of d. Mod apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ direction ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So v of d equal to e into capital E into tau divided by m. This is the drift velocity. E into tau by m. This is how the expression of a drift velocity. Clear? So dear students, the drift velocity of an electron is inversely proportional to the mass of an electron. This is one small thing. Okay. So please note down in your notes and please practice one or more times. This is very important, drift velocity meaning and some expression for it. Okay. In the next class, we have discussed about the mobility of an electron. Okay. Thank you.